What up guys, again this is 1 minute beatbox lesson, and today I'm going to share to you how to create a squeak sound. Okay, so the squeak sound sounds like this. Okay, so to do that squeak sound is all you need to do is try to use your the tip of your tongue. This try to position at the upper part of your mouth like this, like you're doing some hi-hat, but you're positioning it at the top of your mouth. If you want a higher pitch, you can open your mouth widely. If you want a lower pitch, then just close your mouth. Okay, so you can also combine this with some beatbox pattern like this. Okay, so just try it and practice it every day. Again, don't give up and you can make that sound. Okay, so see you next time guys. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe the link button there for more videos.